Some machines don't just perform a function, they define an era, encapsulating the spirit and technological prowess of their time. But a rare few, like the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, transcend their initial purpose and the era in which they were conceived, becoming something far greater. In the vast theater of the sky where clouds become ephemeral canvases, its distinctive silhouette has cast a long, imposing shadow for generations, a testament to its enduring presence and power. The B-52 is far more than just an airplane. It's a symbol of unwavering power, remarkable ingenuity in design and engineering, and the complex paradox of maintaining peace through the demonstration of strength and readiness. Conceived at the dawn of the jet age, when aviation technology was rapidly evolving, it was initially built to deliver nuclear fire as a strategic deterrent, yet its very presence has played a crucial role in helping to deter large-scale war and maintain a fragile peace for over 70 years. Affectionately nicknamed the Buff, Big Ugly Fat Fellow, a moniker that speaks to its robust and somewhat ungainly appearance, this remarkable bomber has not only outlasted many of its intended replacements, but also adapted to countless new roles and technological advancements, ultimately becoming a true legend in aviation history. From the tense atmosphere of the Cold War to the complex landscape of modern conflicts, the B-52 has consistently endured, proving its adaptability and resilience, serving as a constant reminder of the significant stakes involved in global power dynamics and international relations. How does a machine, conceived with the technology of the 1950s, manage to remain so incredibly relevant and vital in today's world? To truly answer that complex question, we must embark on a journey back to its origins, to a world deeply divided by pervasive fear, political tension, and profound uncertainty about the future. This is the captivating saga of an aviation legend, a story of innovation and adaptation. The B-52 challenges our fundamental understanding of engineering principles, strategic military planning, and even our perception of time itself, as it continues to defy obsolescence. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how this iconic aircraft came to not just fly, but to truly rule the skies for generations. The B-52 story begins in the tense aftermath of World War II, a period of immense global rebuilding and profound geopolitical shifts. The world was grappling with the devastation of the war, and the seeds of a new conflict were already being sown. As the world faced the dawn of the atomic age, the sheer destructive power of nuclear weapons reshaped military strategy and international relations, ushering in an era defined by the threat of nuclear annihilation. The US needed a bomber that could fly farther, a strategic asset capable of reaching any point on the globe. Higher, pushing the boundaries of aviation technology to unprecedented altitudes and faster, to outpace enemy defenses and deliver its payload with unmatched speed. Capable of carrying nuclear weapons deep into enemy territory. This capability was seen as the ultimate deterrent, a way to prevent aggression through the threat of overwhelming retaliation. Early designs fell short, failing to meet the ambitious requirements set by the Air Force, and the project nearly died. It seemed as though the technological hurdles were insurmountable. Then, in 1948, Boeing engineers in a Dayton hotel room faced with a seemingly impossible task, sketched a radical new design, a bold departure from conventional bomber architecture. Swept wings designed to maximize aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds, 8 jet engines providing the immense thrust needed to lift the massive aircraft and its payload, an unprecedented range. This allowed it to reach any target, anywhere in the world, without the need for refueling. The Air Force was impressed. They saw the potential of this revolutionary design. The B-52 promised the speed, altitude, and payload needed for the new era. It was the answer to the growing threat of the Soviet Union. In 1952, the first prototype took flight, a moment that would change the course of aviation history. A machine forged for a single chilling purpose, to hold the world in a delicate balance of power, to serve as the airborne fist of American deterrence. It was a symbol of strength and a promise of retaliation. The B-52 was born not just from engineering but from a deep-seated fear of global conflict, but from the urgent demands of a world on the brink. The Cold War was escalating and the threat of nuclear war loomed large. It was a leap into the jet age, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological superiority, ensuring no adversary was beyond reach. It was a declaration of American power and a commitment to global security. The B-52's creation marked the start of a new chapter in strategic air power. It redefined the role of the bomber in modern warfare. It was designed to keep the peace by being ready for war, a constant reminder of the devastating consequences of aggression. The Cold War would shape its destiny, and the world's. It would become a key player in the decades-long standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union. The B-52 became the ultimate symbol of American resolve, a powerful statement of national strength and unwavering commitment to freedom. Its legend was just beginning. The B-52 was poised to become one of the most iconic and enduring aircraft in history. The B-52's design is pure function endurance, payload and reliability over looks. Its 185-foot swept wings flex in flight, giving it lift and resilience for long missions. The unique bicycle-style landing gear frees the wings for fuel and weapons and lets the B-52 land in fierce crosswinds. 8 jet engines in 4 pods provide power and redundancy enough to keep flying even after losing several. Inside, the cockpit blends old and new analog gauges beside digital upgrades, a crew of 5 working in tight coordination. The B-52's workspace is built for grueling missions demanding teamwork and stamina. Over decades, its engines and systems have been upgraded, but the core design endures. Every feature serves a purpose, making the B-52 a masterclass in strategic engineering. It's a flying fortress built to last. To stand beside a B-52 is to feel dwarfed by its scale. Its tail towers 41 feet, fuselage stretches 159 feet, and wingspan exceeds a football field. This size allows it to carry over 47,000 gallons of fuel and a payload of up to 70,000 pounds. With aerial refueling, its range is limited only by crew endurance, making it a true global deterrent. The B-52 can deliver everything from iron bombs to precision-guided missiles, striking targets from hundreds of miles away. Its 8 engines provide the thrust to lift this behemoth to 50,000 feet above most threats. Takeoff is a spectacle, water injection boosts, black smoke, and a roar that shakes the ground. The B-52's presence is unmistakable, raw power, ready for any mission. Its versatility and reach have made it a cornerstone of American air power. The behemoth commands the sky. Crews call it the buff, big, ugly, fat fellow, a term of endearment for a reliable workhorse. Missions can last over 30 hours, with crews enduring cramped quarters and little comfort. The B-52's overbuilt airframe has survived damage that would doom lesser planes like the 1964 incident where a B-52 landed safely after losing its tail fin. Its toughness is legendary, forging deep bonds between crew and machine. Beyond combat, the B-52 has served as a research platform, launching the X-15 and testing new technologies for NASA. Its ability to carry heavy, oversized loads has made it invaluable for science and innovation. The Buff is more than a bomber, it's a platform for pushing the boundaries of flight. Its reputation for reliability and versatility is unmatched. Generations of aircrews have trusted their lives to this giant. The Buff's legend is built on endurance, adaptability, and sheer grit. It's a flying icon, respected by all who know it. The B-52's reputation was forged in combat, not just deterrence. In Vietnam, it unleashed massive bombing campaigns, Arc Light and Linebacker II, shaking enemy resolve and shaping peace talks. Despite heavy losses, its impact was decisive, proving the value of overwhelming air power. In Desert Storm, B-52s flew record-breaking missions, launching cruise missiles and dropping more bombs than any other coalition aircraft. In Afghanistan and Iraq, the Buff adapted to close air support, loitering for hours and delivering precision strikes for ground troops. Its ability to stay on station and deliver firepower has made it indispensable in modern warfare. The B-52's combat legacy spans generations and continents. From Cold War deterrent to battlefield guardian, it has proven its worth time and again. Its adaptability keeps it relevant no matter the conflict. The B-52 is a survivor tested by fire, trusted in war. Its story is written in the skies over every major conflict of the last 70 years. 744 B-52s were built. About 76 still serve today, all over 60 years old. The B-52 holds records for distance and endurance, like the first non-stop round-the-world jet flight in 1957. Its original cost was a bargain compared to modern bombers, and its ability to be upgraded has made it cost-effective for decades. The Air Force plans to keep the B-52 flying into the 2050s, nearly a century of service. No other military aircraft comes close to this record. Generations of pilots have flown the same type their grandfathers did. The B-52's longevity is a testament to its design, maintenance, and adaptability. It's the ultimate survivor, outlasting all its contemporaries and even its intended successors. The numbers tell a story of endurance and unmatched legacy. The B-52 is a titan, built to last, and still going strong. How does a 1950s bomber remain vital in the 21st century? Continuous upgrades. The B-52's airframe is original, but its systems are state-of-the-art. New avionics, communications, and targeting pods. Its size and power make it easy to adapt, and now it's getting new, fuel-efficient engines for even greater range and reliability. The B-52J will carry hypersonic missiles and advanced standoff weapons, striking from farther than ever before. Its massive payload means it can deliver more firepower than any other bomber. The buff is evolving from bomb truck to high-tech missile platform. It remains a key part of the nuclear triad, but its conventional role is more important than ever. Deploying a B-52 sends a clear message. American power is present and ready. The forever bomber is a symbol of commitment and capability. Its future is as bold as its past. What is it about the B-52 that continues to captivate us even after all these years? What makes this aircraft so special? It's the ultimate underdog story, a testament to resilience, an aircraft that was almost written off, but instead, it turned into a true champion. It's a relic from a bygone era that continues to defy expectations, constantly rewriting its own history and proving its relevance in the modern age. In a world obsessed with disposable tech and rapid obsolescence, the B-52 stands tall as a monument to durability, ingenious engineering, and smart design that has stood the test of time. Its distinctive silhouette is as iconic and instantly recognizable as any battleship or classic muscle car, a timeless shape that evokes power, history, and unwavering strength. The B-52 is more than just a flying machine. It's a flying museum piece, a living artifact that's still actively making history, participating in crucial missions around the globe. It carries the weight of history, the legacy of every crew who has ever flown it, and every mission it has ever undertaken. It's a machine with soul, a spirit forged in the crucible of conflict and innovation, steeped in countless stories of courage, dedication, and ultimate sacrifice. The raw, untamed power of its 8 jet engines, the earth-shaking thunder of its takeoff run, these are visceral experiences that leave an indelible mark on anyone who witnesses them. In an age dominated by stealth technology and shadowy warfare, the B-52 is unapologetically visible, a symbol of strength that doesn't need to hide in the shadows, a true giant of the skies that commands attention wherever it goes. It's far more than just a military machine or a weapon of war, it's a genuine cultural icon, a symbol recognized around the world. It's been featured prominently in countless films, books, and documentaries, solidifying its place in popular culture. The Buff, as it's affectionately known, is a powerful symbol of American ambition, technological prowess, and unwavering commitment to global security. And as long as it continues to fly, soaring through the skies, it serves as a constant reminder of what humanity can achieve through innovation, determination, and collaboration. The B-52 is more than just an aircraft, it's a living legend, a powerful shadow in the sky, a symbol of strength and resilience, shaping not only the landscape of military aviation, but also our world for generations to come. And the incredible story of the B-52 is far from over. It's a continuing saga of innovation, adaptation, and unwavering service.